Hello, in this video we'll be unboxing Razer Basilisk V3 Pro. So this one is a gaming mouse made by Razer. You can get it for $159.99 on US dollars on Amazon website. There's also another version which comes with a mouse dock, and it will cost you around $229.98, and a wireless charging pack which is $179.98 US dollars. Also, this mouse is a right-handed, so if you're left-handed, sadly you won't be able to use it. It supports 30,000 dpi, it's wireless, or also you can use it with a wire, which is included in the box, should be at least. There's a 2.4 gigahertz interface speed on it. And now let's move on to opening it so I can show you more features. First we'll need to cut these. Now we can slide down the box. So here's the mouse. If you take it out, you can see the foil that it protects the sensor from any dirt particles, and these sliders. Inside also you can find the warranty cards right here and instructions, and there's also the USB cable, and it's USB-C and just normal USB, so you can connect it to charge it or to use it with a wired connection. Here's this 2.4 gigahertz wireless connection, so plug it into PC, this thing right here, and then this to the mouse, and it should improve the connection between your PC and the mouse, and speed up almost everything about it. So now let's plug it back in, because we're not gonna use it right now. Now let's move on to the mouse, and from the features you might want to know. So remove this. It has these Teflon sliders, white things right here on the back side of the mouse. They feel very well, actually. I like it, how it moves. Another thing is scroll with a weight adjustment, so it might be harder or easier to slide, but this feature is, I think, programmable in a Razer app or Razer program on your PC. Another thing is RGB, so if we try to enable it, it should work. Hopefully it's charged, maybe not. Okay, it is. And now we can see the RGB. So there's logo, there's a mouse wheel, and here these lines, and I bet these also will flash, but maybe you'll need to change it in a program for the Razer mouse. Okay, next thing is programmable buttons, so you can change the functions of these buttons right here. There's no buttons on the right, only on the left. Next is a customizable profiles, so you can change the profiles with this handy button right here if you need it, and adjust them in the program. There's also available acceleration for the mouse, so you can change it in the program as well. We're gonna cover all of these functions in next videos, so be sure to check them out. Wireless charging, so you can use the wireless charger to charge it. Probably this thing right here works as a charger, I guess. Also here you can put the, let's actually try it. So we can hide this if you're traveling. Very handy. Now let's try removing it. Okay, like this. And lastly, this mouse should last 90 million clicks of lifetime. That's a lot. So yeah, and that's basically it. You can see the mouse right here. And in the future videos, I will show you how to set it up and also how to adjust your DPI for any game or for your preferential thing. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.